And a court in Togo in West Africa will decide today on whether jailed Indian sailor Captain Sunil James will be allowed to visit his home in Mumbai for his child's cremation. Captain Sunil James, remember, was arrested in July on charges of aiding pirates after his ship was attacked. The MEA has assured his family that they are trying to make arrangements to get Captain James back to perform the last rites of his 11-month-old son. The MEA officials have met Captain James in prison and also assured his family that they are trying to make arrangements to get the Merchant Navy captain in Mumbai to perform the last rites of his son, who died of septicemia in a hospital on December the 2nd. The body of the infant, Vivan, has been kept at Holy Spirit Hospital, with the family awaiting his father's return. And Vedika Sutsachdevan are joining us on the phone line with more details. Vedika, we understand that the MEA has in fact met Captain Sunil James and are assuring that he will return to Mumbai soon. But what is the update on that? How soon are we looking at Captain Sunil James return to Mumbai to perform the last rites for his son?
Sanjana, all eyes actually is on that court in Togo in Western Africa. All eyes will be on whether they allow him to come for the last rites and perform the last rites of his 11-month-old son who died of septicemia on the 2nd of December. We do know that the officials managed to meet Captain James on the 7th of this month, but it's just suspense still over this because we don't know whether he will be able to return. He has been there for the last 6 months. The family has been pleading with the Indian authorities to help with this. We're also being told that officials from an Indian mission in Africa had met him in prison on the 7th and pursued the request for his release in a court in Togo. But the judge reportedly told his lawyers at that point, Sanjana, that he will take up the application, which is the 6th since his arrest. Today, that application will be taken up. Also, Indian officials will in all likelihood, will be present in court today during that hearing. And that's what even his brother-in-law has told headlines today. Ever since this incident took place on the 2nd of December, the family back home, they really have a prayer on their lips and hopes really that he will return in time for the funeral of young Vivan. Well, it's already been 7 days, Sanjana, since that death took place, and the body of this child has been lying in the morgue ever since. And no decision by the family has been taken yet because they're waiting for the decision to come in from Togo, hopefully by the evening today.
Thank you, Vedika, for bringing us that update. I'll just go over to our correspondent, Amrita Shidli, who's been tracking the story very closely. Amrita, all eyes on the court decision today. When do we expect the decision to actually be announced?
The family is expecting the decision to come in the afternoon today because the court in Togo starts at 7 a.m. So it is possible that the decision will come around 2 in the afternoon. But at the same time, it's the 7th day of Vivan's death, and family is still waiting for Captain Sunil to come back and perform the last rites. And they are also very disappointed with the efforts taken by government with the marine company in which Sunil is working. And now they want to meet Manmohan Singh, and they are waiting for the appointment. And also they are trying other ways also to just reach the PM to tell him the matter, what is it, and to tell the seriousness of the matter. Because it's the 7th day and the family is really destroyed. The Aditi, Sunil's wife, she is in trauma because she's lost her 11-month baby, and also her husband is in jail. So family is still waiting. The efforts taken by government, they are not happy with it. But they have only one option, that is to wait, because the Togo jail is still not come up with any reaction. They are saying, the judge is saying that I can't work in pressure. I have to take my time. I have to take a lot of time to think about it. And Saturday, Sunday, the court was closed. So it is likely that the comment will come today afternoon around 2 or 3.